Today we're introducing the new PNW ProSlide. It works with your existing PNW Deluxe Tumbler Press and helps to adjust from one tumbler to another with ease. Currently, there are two adjustable knobs in the back of the press that you twist in order to adjust the pressure of the attachment. With the PNW ProSlide, you untwist the knobs, adjust the pressure of the attachment, and then twist the knobs to hold it into place. The current process is slow and can be time-consuming and really make you not want to adjust the pressure for different size tumblers, or maybe you just decide to do only one size tumbler because you don't want to keep dealing with the hassle of adjusting the pressure back and forth. But the PNW ProSlide makes it so easy to adjust anywhere from small kids' cups all the way up to the large 40-ounce tumblers. If you're a current PNW Deluxe Press owner, no worries, you don't have to buy a new press. This is an upgrade to your current press. It only takes a few minutes to switch out your current bridge with the new one. And of course, we'll be providing instructional videos for how to do so. Once they arrive, all new tumbler press purchasers will have the option to upgrade to the ProSlide. So, take the most versatile tumbler press on the market to new heights by upgrading your deluxe press to a Pro press using the PNW ProSlide. These are open for pre-order now and set to arrive in April. Stay tuned for more videos and more information, and get your pre-orders in now at pnwblinks.com.